Hi everyone. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial on Foocus. So far, we've explored unlimited free text-to-image generators and free image upscaling tools. Today, we're diving into another amazing Foocus feature, the AI headshot generator. Let's get started. If you're new here and haven't watched my previous videos on how to open and use Foocus, I've got you covered. Be sure to check them out. As always, we'll start with creating a perfect prompt. And who better to help us than ChatGPT? Since we're generating a headshot with a suit, I'll ask ChatGPT to craft a tailored prompt for this. Once you have your prompt ready, just copy it. Next, head back to Foocus, paste your prompt into the text box, and customize it as you like. Feel free to experiment and choose your own style for the headshot. Now, click on the inpaint/outpaint option. Here's where the magic happens. Upload the image you want to generate the suit on. You'll find several tools like the eraser, brush tool, and undo. Select the brush tool and carefully outline the model's body. Pro tip: for the best results, avoid selecting the face area. Once the selection is complete, fine-tune your settings, set performance to quality for the sharpest results. Adjust the aspect ratio to either 1024 by 960 or 1615. Now, just hit the generate button and wait for the magic to happen. In just about a minute, you'll get your flawless headshot with a perfectly tailored suit. Here's our result, absolutely stunning and professional. And that's it, folks. Creating professional headshots has never been easier, thanks to Foocus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.